Okay, so yesterday we looked at compound interest and how to calculate it. Today we're looking at a slightly different sum, but it still involves compound interest. So in this sum here, we know what the principal is and we know what the final amount is. What we don't know is the interest rate, the percentage interest rate. Now, when we know these two things, when we know the principal and when we know the final amount, we can very easily figure out what the interest rate is. First of all, we have to take away the two, the final interest and the principal. So 702 minus 650, and that will give us 52 euros. Now, that is the amount of interest earned. It's not the interest rate, it's the amount of interest earned. Now, all I have to do is put 52 over the principal and multiply it by 100 over 1. This is how we figure out what percentage of this, of 650, is 52. And we'll use a calculator for that. So, it's 600, it's not 650, it is 52 divided by 650. And that will give us 0.08, and when we multiply that by 100, that gives us 8%. 8. So the interest rate in this question is 8%. If you invested 650 euros for 1 year at 8% interest, you would earn 52 euros. Okay, the question on the right is very similar with different figures, so I want you to pause the video and have a go at it, and then unpause and you can see how I've done it. Okay, so this question here, we do the same thing. We take the final amount, which is 2,612 and 50 cents, and we subtract 2,500. That will give us 112 euros and 50 cents. This is the amount of interest earned, so I put the amount of interest earned over the principal and I multiply by 100 over 1. Again, use the calculator for this. So 112.5, you can leave out the 0, divided by 2500 equals that, and multiply by 100. And that gives us 4.5%. So that is the answer, 4.5%. So if you invested 2,500 euros for 1 year at 4.5%, you would earn 112 euros and 50 cents in interest. And that's the answer.